I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make clickable buttons in Adobe XD. First, you will want to design your button on an artboard in the Design tab. Make sure you have at least 2 artboards ready, as you will need a destination for your button to navigate to. Once your design is complete and looks exactly 100% how you want it, switch over to the Prototype tab to start building the interaction. Now, in Prototype mode, select the button you want to make clickable. You will see a blue arrow appear from the selected object. Simply drag this arrow and connect it to the artboard you want the button to navigate to. This action creates a basic link, telling Adobe XD where to go when the button is activated. It is a straightforward process that forms the foundation of your interactive prototype. With your link established, it is time to define the interaction details. In the Properties Inspector, choose a trigger, commonly tap, for when a user clicks the button. Then select an action such as Transition for a simple page change or Auto-Animate for more dynamic effects. You can also adjust the animation type and duration, perhaps to 0.3 seconds for a polished user experience. Finally, it is crucial to test your work. Click the Desktop Preview button, usually located at the top right of your workspace. This will open a new window where you can interact with your prototype. Click your newly created button to ensure it navigates to the correct artboard with the desired animation. Make any necessary adjustments for a perfect flow, ensuring your design is 100% functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.